Good morning. We're running a little slow this morning, and now we're living the lifestyle of being a guide with Sahen Skinner. And somehow, bless his heart, this guy gets up 5:30 every single morning, rides all day long, goes to dinner with clients, goes to bed, does it again day after day after day. And for the next 2 days, we are getting drug along. I'm gonna capture exactly what that lifestyle is all about and see if we can hang. So, oh, I forgot. We also have a really random guest this time.
Hello.
Roscoe. So for the next 2 days, we are in the SS free ride lifestyle with a special guest though. So I think the clients are gonna be pretty stoked. They don't really know Ross is here. I think they actually did some BBA stuff in the past. So they're probably familiar with him, and now here he is randomly in Afton, Wyoming. Anyways, wish us luck today.
Yeah, we're gonna need it.
No.
Hi buddy, how are you?
I'm swell, how are
Another
you?
cold day in Wyoming.
This is warm. I see it's almost double digits.
Yeah, it's like 7 degrees today, so it is warm for us. Yeah.
Stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Surface of her mind.
We usually here about 7. We do breakfast 8, 8:30, depending on how long the days are. Get up on the hill about 10 o'clock, ride until they say mercy, or we ride until about an hour before it's dark. So, you know, right now it's getting dark about 6 o'clock, so no matter what, we're heading home at 5. No matter how good the snow is, no matter how good people are feeling, we go home. I don't like being out there in the dark. I got my specific reasons. I've been out there in the dark a lot, so we go home before dark, no matter what. Usually 5 to 6 days a week riding, and then another day wrenching every week for like 5 months straight. And then like another month maybe on each side of that for setup and tear down.
Gnarly.
Yeah, dude, it's seasonal intensity for sure, but it's fun, man. Like the guys today, they're repeat customers. They brought some buddies with them, which is super cool, and just take them out, have fun with them, teach them something. We can all tease Trent. I'm sure they'll love that, and it'll be a good day.
Hey, but you could be in a cubicle, so
I don't think I'm ever gonna be in a cubicle in my
count your
entire life,
lucky
bro.
stars, Sahen.
No. Pretty Caroline. Stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Surface of her mind.
Vibes are high. I'm excited to see Sahen's program, and I'm excited for you guys to see Sahen's program.
So we always like to do search mode first. So we check the beacons. We'll check their beacons, and then we check my beacon. And we've seen a couple malfunctions before, twice. We had to get them new beacons before we went out and rode. But
Cool. And
yeah,
obviously
we
I'll
just
stop
take
off
extra
the-
precaution with this stuff. We don't mess around with it at all. So
I use, look at this. So this is the little nice hole. My beacon, I can get up into my harness from here. Hack.
Would you stop your guns if I had you on my side? Come and seal your fate till the end of your side. And the way you talk, you make the city shine dark.
Don't learn the hard way like I do, okay? That was good though. You didn't get stuck. You turned your head, you were reading momentum, and you went down. That's way better off than getting stuck because you conserve a lot more energy. Good job, man. I came into it way too slow, but I didn't let out like for the last 100 yards.
It burns like poison rain, and we're stuck on a moving train. In time there will be no pain. We're just out in a poison rain.
So if you come to SS Free Ride,
Free tune-ups.
you also get a full-time on-hill mechanic crew.
And this is our only hammer.
You guys are familiar with snowmobile parts as a secondary along with the jack shaft. In the middle of nowhere. You gonna give them that 5-star Yelp review also?
Absolutely.
Recap me.
We were broken, and now we are fixed.
Oh yeah.
Dude, I saw it stop and your whole back end came out of the air, snow probably like 3 feet.
Yeah.
You didn't break your visor or anything?
No.
Every time I do that, I split a helmet in half like a cantaloupe.
We call that hashtag rowdy.
Snow's been pretty dang good. I think the guys learned something. I think they had a little bit of fun, which is always good. We're snowmobiling, man. It'll be fun. Go learn some more, get stuck some more.
Great day. Awesome.
It is a super exciting day. I'm like always stoked to ride sleds, but I'm extra pumped today. We got Sahen Skinner, one of his guides, and we're gonna go ride the 2022s. Quite a while before they're released, so at the time that you guys are watching this, you're gonna see them, they're gonna be out, but we're pretty pumped to get some time on them. Sahen's pumped, the whole group's pumped, the vibes are through the roof, it's gonna be a good day, it's blue sky, fresh snow, like the stars have aligned, so let's do this.
This is like my third fun day riding this year.
Where's the stoke level at today?
I just got largest headliner dirty with my hands, but it's up here. Very excited. We're gonna go ride snowmobiles that technically don't exist. And it's probably some of the biggest news since I've been with Polaris in the last like 13 years.
What do we have in here? Got the nice super secret bra on it.
Super secret, man.
Keep your lady nice, dress her up.
Area 51. Sorry, let's look out of the way.
Oh, you're good.
You guys ready to do this?
Already, dude.
I am so excited.
All new gear.
Couldn't even sleep last night.
New sled. Christmas all over again in February.
Yeah.
This is definitely the best part. It's just like, I mean, it's better than Christmas, man. This is like Christmas for adults. Right here.
Let's rip it off!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Oh.
Woo-hoo-hoo! What is that?
Lars, buddy, what do you got over
Ready
here?
for this one?
Yeah.
Are you?
Cue the sexy music.
Well, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna show you. How's that sound?
Oh, snap.
Super fun. Just a ride, man. I've been a turbo guy forever. It's pretty cool for people to be able to get it with a warranty now. And it's a ride, man. Super fun.
This is 9,000 feet higher than my house. Not
could ride up the hill. That'd be easier than walking, wouldn't it?
Okay, guys, it was a day off, but we kind of got our butts
We
handed.
kind of kicked our own butts.
But we had fun doing it.
We had a lot of fun.
I think it's time to cover these up, take them down the trail, and
Yeah.
you probably should go work tomorrow.
Dude, me and David have to ride
Like
good.
we're literally gonna have to drag you behind this sled.
Sorry. Quiet. Trying to have a conversation.
On the boost machine, this is how you properly dress them. You start with the nose, and then you go to said A-arm here, like so. You wrap the long one around the A-arm, like this. You put the chocolate on the gram, and then you ride back the trailer really, really fast and pray that no one sees you.
Let me be clear. These platforms are absolutely phenomenal. We had an absolute blast on them. We're all just have had about a week off right now, and this was day one is getting on something brand new. They absolutely rip.
Dude, they're freaking great sleds.
People are
They're
going to be
great sleds.
so stoked to get their hands on them, but they also kicked our butts today, but in the best way possible.
We kind of kicked our own butts today, but it was still a super huge amount of fun, dude. It was a blast.
Yeah.
There you have it, episode 4. Hope you guys all enjoyed it. As always, do not forget to like, subscribe. This is just the beginning. We're only on episode 4. We got a lot more episodes coming. In the next episode, we're headed back up to Canada, the Great White North. Mike Reeves heading out with Nadine Overwater, who is an absolute ripper on a sled. As a reminder, Nadine currently has a 509 contest going on for all you lady riders out there called 509 Women of Winter. All you gotta do is use the hashtag 509 Women of Winter. Post a 10 to 20 second clip on Instagram. We're gonna pick the winner in the next episode, and there's some awesome prizes, including a full head to toe kit. So do not forget to enter that contest, ladies. Guys, get your ladies involved, get them out there, get them recognized, get them some fresh new gear. We will see you guys in 2 weeks.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.